water, all-in-one toner and serum. It's very simple. You just pop the top open like that. But the reason I called it fat water is because it has a lot of body, so you can literally just put it right on your hand, no cotton pad. You know, we're trying to save the earth over here, and it sits there, doesn't seep through your hand, and you just have a clean break. So it instantly starts to reduce your pores. I mean, it happens like right away. And then your skin starts to brighten and even out. And over time, you will see how your skin just becomes like one color. This is great for all skin types. Using this product really improved my skin tone and have everything, my complexion to just even out.